Welcome to our ArchiCAD tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create floors and roofs in ArchiCAD. Floors and roofs provide the basic structure of a building. They are critical in defining the building's form and function. Accurate floor and roof modeling ensures that the architectural design is realistic and feasible. It allows for proper load distribution and structural stability, which are essential for any construction project. ArchiCAD allows the creation of these construction tools. Today's objectives: Number 1. Learn how to select and configure the slab and roof tool to create floor elements. Number 2. Set appropriate parameters for floor thickness, geometry, and materials. Number 3. Identify and resolve common issues that may arise during the process. And lastly, understand how to adjust and modify floor elements using the pet palette and other editing tools. Let's get started. Begin by opening your project in ArchiCAD. If you don't have a project open, you can create a new one by selecting File, New Project. In the toolbox on the left, find and select the Slab tool. This tool is used to create floors in ArchiCAD. There are different floor parameters in ArchiCAD. You can choose Geometry method. You can select from a rectangular or polygonal or other custom shapes. Click on the starting point of your floor and then click on subsequent points to define the perimeter. Double-click to finish this shape. You should now see your floor slab in the 2D plan view. If you need to adjust the shape or size, you can use the pet palette that appears when you select the slab and click on one of its edges or nodes. Switch to the 3D view to see your floor by selecting Window and then 3D Window. This will help you visualize the placement and make any necessary adjustments. Set the thickness of your floor in the info box at the top. For example, you might set it to 300 millimeters. Choose the material for your floor. This can be done in the Slab Settings dialog, where you can select the appropriate fill and surface materials. You can also use the drag tool to move the floor or the resize tool to change its dimension. In the toolbox on the left, find and select the roof tool. Choose the geometry method for your roof. You can select from single plane, multi-plane, or complex shapes. Set the pitch of your roof in the info box. For example, you might set it to 30 degrees. Switch to the 3D view to select your roof by selecting Window, 3D Window. This will help you visualize the roof and make any necessary adjustments. Click to define the base of the roof, then move your cursor to set the height and click again to finalize. Find the perimeter of the building by clicking on each corner. Double-click to complete the perimeter and then set the roof's height. To adjust the roof shape or pitch, use the pet palette. Click on the roof to select it, then click on the edges or nodes to bring up the editing options. You can also adjust the roof's overhang by selecting the roof and dragging the handles that appear. To add elements like dormers or skylights, select the Roof Accessories tool from the toolbox and follow the prompts to place these components on your roof. Choose the material for your roof. This can be done in the Roof Settings dialog, where you can select the appropriate fill and surface materials. And that's it. You've successfully created floors and roofs in ArchiCAD. With these tools, you can now design more complex and detailed architectural models. Don't forget to save your work frequently and explore additional features to further enhance your designs. Thank you for watching.
Get in touch with us for all your drafting needs at mgsglobalgroup.com.